Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen section. Over here. Now click on Screen Lock Type at the top and select the best one for you by clicking on it. PIN, password or pattern. Following that, you get to create it. Tap on Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're done, select Confirm. Now, thanks to those options, you can adjust lock screen notifications however you wish to. You can also just tap on this switcher at the top to disable or enable them. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done at the bottom. Then select Cancel or Turn On in Turn On Remote Unlock pop-up. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!